This video clip is a short story of Professor William Blattner's work in Nigeria, Africa. Professor Blattner has over 30 years of expertise and engagement in healthcare delivery. He founded the Institute of Human Virology Nigeria and collaborated with many people and professionals in developing Nigeria's capacity to implement the US President's emergency plan for AIDS relief. The memories of his immense contribution to the prevention, treatment, and care for people living with HIV in Nigeria will linger for a very long time.
The purpose of our board is to bring the wisdom of Nigerian leaders to the fore in order to guide this organization to be a sustainable center of excellence for addressing the public health needs of Nigeria.
As a member of IHVN Board of Directors, this is what the chair of the board, a distinguished physician and holder of Nigeria's prestigious National Award of the Commander of the Federal Republic, Professor Emeritus Umaru Shehu, has to say about him.
I must say that in most cases our views concurred, and that actually made the running of the board of IHVN easier for me, having been a new person. So I wish him, wonderful. I'm also not retired, but I said in Nigerian language, not tired. I hope that he will be utilized to the full extent that he's capable of contributing to so many things in this IHVN.
For John Alechenu Idoko, a professor of medicine and director general of the National Agency for the Control of AIDS in Nigeria, his memories of Professor Blattner.
Bill has helped to bring, a lot of funds into Nigeria to build, the capacity in terms of our research, the infrastructure, particularly laboratories, which we never had before, and that has trained a lot of Nigerians.
Dr. Ahmed Seidu, a medical doctor with the Federal Ministry of Health and recipient of Fogati Training Grant, described Professor William Blattner as:
first of all, Professor Blattner is a tepid-termed leader, I mean, so to say, if I can put it that way. And he's a person who has the potential, or rather an icon worth emulating as far as the global public health intervention is concerned. More so as you narrow it down to infectious disease, HIV/AIDS, nobody can doubt the fact that he has turned around the HIV intervention in the country.
Others include Dr. Ezekiel Akintunde, Associate Director, Laboratory Services, John Snow International.
Professor Blattner is a very wonderful person to work with. He and his co-PI are the first to really carry out capacity development in all areas of health services in this country.
Former Director, Monitoring and Evaluation of the Institute of Human Virology Nigeria, Dr. Bola Njoku.
Blattner actually wrote the proposal that won IHVN the bid for Action Project. And basically what was Action Project? It was to care, support and treat HIV patients, which at that time, apart from the knowledge being rudimentary, there was no proper awareness. There was a widespread stigmatization, and people were dying in droves because of the lack of access to treatment. That single proposal that Blattner wrote with one or two key partners actually changed the scenario. So I want to see Blattner as a game changer.
Dr. Usman Gebi, Country Director of Friends in Global Health.
Professor Blattner has been a real initiator and a mentor without necessarily saying so. Because when everyone was kind of thinking that it was not possible for it to happen in Nigeria, he saw the opportunity and came, and basically the HIV initiative in Nigeria is Professor Blattner's hallmark.
On the whole, he's a very good man. He's a highly revered academic. I have heard of the name of William Blattner right from my medical school days, from his pioneering work in the discovery of retroviruses along with
Mr. Williams Dogo, Head of Transport, IHV Nigeria.
I met with Professor Blattner some years ago miraculously because of discharging my duty. And he brought me to IHVN, and I enjoy working with him. And he has been of a help to those that have been affected with HIV.
Mrs. Asabe Gomwalk, Associate Director, Care and Support, IHV Nigeria.
Because he wants us to practically do it. He doesn't talk theory. I remember when we needed to talk about the PMTCT cascade, he took us each inch of the way on how to do all of these things. He is a great mentor and he will be greatly missed.
Dr. Sam Peters, Director, Clinical Laboratory Services, IHV Nigeria.
All the success and all the achievements that IHVN has made today has been down to his great vision, great leadership, great encouragement, and he has actually shown us what we should do in order to be at the leading edge. So that has been wonderful.
Dr. Patrick Dakum, Chief Executive Officer and Project Director, IHV Nigeria, as well as a member of the Board of the Directors of the Institute.
Dr. Blattner, you've done quite a lot for Nigeria. Nigeria will never forget you. The Institute of Human Virology in Nigeria, which is your baby, will never forget you. We will continue to look up to you for that grandfatherly advice. Thank you, Dr. Blattner.
Mr. Charles Olanlekon Mensah, Managing Director, Chief Operating Officer of IHV Nigeria, and also an ex-officio member of the Board of Directors of the Institute.
In retirement, I wish Dr. Blattner a very healthy life. And I know he's not tired. He will still be relevant in a lot of places. And I wish him more and more success in his private life.